Adam, we are going to visit Frances Palmer. She's a gardener, an entrepreneur, a photographer, a beekeeper, a cook, and she loves putting up preserves.
It wasn't really until I moved to this property that I had the kind of the open space and the sun to start. I really wanted to learn to grow the flowers so that I could use them in the photography for the work.
Which is so exciting, the
Yeah.
blending of your
Yes.
garden and your flowers
Blending
and the
everything
ceramics.
together.
Frances, this is a breathtaking place to be. I think the relationship between flowers so depends on your personality of how you do things.
Yeah. I felt like when I started the ceramics, it was just something that I gravitated to and have done practically every day of my life since then. And I never get tired of doing it.
Every day?
If I'm here, I'm working. So I started growing the flowers so that I could photograph the pieces in context, give scale to the pots, and also have a way of documenting what I was selling and leaving the studio.
Nice.